Alright, so this makes day 21 without water. You know, whatever. So our first well was here. It ran dry 21 days ago. They came out and drilled this well. It produced 1 to 2 gallons a minute for less than a day, and then it died dry. They've been working on this well for 4 days now. They came out and drilled it, and they've spent 3 days trying to condition it. Still no water. And, you know, my yard is now trash too. So, yeah. Fingers crossed we have running water on day 23. I mean, it's the 21st century and I live in civilization. Come on.